Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen. I'm sitting here with a big frying pan full of sausage fried rice. Yeah, I love making fried rice. It's one of those easy dishes that you can make at the end of a hard day. When I was in construction, I'd come home from work and I made fried rice a lot because I just didn't have time for anything else. Well, this one here is fried rice but with sausages in it. So you got your Bratwurst in there. Got some egg at the end to tie it all together. Or not. At the end of the day, fills the belly, makes you happy, and yeah, it's easy to make. So let's go to the kitchen and make this right now. Easy dish to make. Simple ingredients. This is something you can whip out anytime. So, let's go over the ingredients here. We've got, across the front, I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. I got a half a can, those 14-ounce cans. I got a half a can of corn. I just rinse and drain it. 1 onion, chopped, a little bit fine, but not too fine. About anywhere between 8 and 10 shiitake mushrooms, sliced about 1/8 of an inch or a bit, so 2, 3, 4 millimeters thick. 4 eggs. Over here, the sausages. These are Bratwurst, and there are 6 Bratwurst in here. That's about 10 ounces or 340 grams of Bratwurst, and I've sliced them in just under 1/2 inch, so about 10 millimeters thick slices. Then across the back here, well, that's 3 cups of cooked rice, cooled down. This could be day-old cooked rice. Unfortunately, this is not quite day-old. Day-old is actually better, but this was cooked this morning. So any rice will do, really. All right, got a fry pan over here. What we're going to do is bring it up on medium heat. Let's check that. That's looking good there. Get that olive oil going in there. All right. The onions, Bratwurst. Mix that around a little bit because that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to sprinkle on the salt and pepper. So let's get that all over the place. Salt, pepper. All right, gonna kick that. Gonna cook that. Just stirring every once in a while for about 10 to 12 minutes. So I want to just get some browning happening. I want to soften up the onions. I want to brown them a little bit. I want some browning on the Bratwurst. So see you back here in about 10 to 12 minutes, and then we'll get some more ingredients in there. Alright, so that's being cooked away. Look at it, getting nice and brown. Our onions are softened. We got some browning happening on the sausages. But we're going to go for some more because now we're going to add some more ingredients. Let them be in the rice.
These dick-shaped things and blah, blah, blah. And I'm always thinking, like, well, there is physics and aerodynamics and all that involved. Like, if you have a shape of...
And, somebody should shut off their phone. Yeah, listen to Bill Burr while cooking. Oh, I forgot to turn it off. It's like background noise. All right, there we go. Get the rice in there. Now, if you're using regular rice, it'd be a lot easier actually because it's going to be loose. I'm using Japanese rice, it's very sticky, so I got to do now, I got to break it up. I want to break it up like mixing those onions into there. Just kind of flipping and mixing in, flipping and mixing in. That's going to help get in between the rice and break it up. Otherwise, it just sticks to itself. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I remember somebody once said, why is it in a country where they eat rice is where they invented eating it with sticks? Well, that's because you've never seen Japanese rice if you ask a question like that, because Japanese rice is very easy to eat with chopsticks because it is sticky. I wouldn't try that with Western rice. It'd be impossible. We'll eat fried rice like this, and it all comes apart. Yeah, we don't use chopsticks then, we use spoons. Alright, that's starting to come together pretty good. So what I want to do now, I want to also get that corn in there. The mushrooms. I'm just going to mix that around, cook this. How about another 8 to 10 minutes? I want to brown the rice a little bit. I want to soften up those mushrooms. Cook the corn just a little. About 8 to 10 minutes. That should do. A piece of rice went overboard there. We'll see you back here in about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, see you then. Alright, that's been cooking nicely. Look at this. Just going through there also. Scrape off the bottom. Turn it over. It's looking good. We're going to let that cook just a little bit longer because right now I want to get the eggs ready. So I'm going to put we got the 4 eggs, going to put them in a bowl so I can whisk them up. Again, we got those really nice free-range eggs, super orange yolks. Give those a nice whisking. That looks good. Now, one last turn here. Oh, yeah. Alright, turn the heat off because we've got enough latent heat in here to cook those eggs. And I'm just gonna kind of get them all over the place here. And then mix it in. Just go around, mix in the eggs, that heat. So it starts cooking it. So you don't want to overcook it, you just want it to cook just nice. Look at that. Oh, look at this. That's getting great. Beautiful. See, turning there. By doing this, we're cooking it and at the same time mixing the egg throughout. Oh, that is looking absolutely delicious. That's it. There we go. Sausage fried rice. Ooh, it's going to be a good dinner tonight. Alright, if you like this recipe, well, stick around, check out the channel. Lots more original Kevin Riley recipes right here on the Kuma's Kitchen channel. New one coming out every week, so make sure that you are subscribed and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any. Now, go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.